Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we'll find the Pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. And cascading on the sides of this vehicle, you're going to find further features which are all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 21-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal the vast amount of boot space, which is perfect for a week's worth of luggage, a canine companion, or even a set of golf clubs. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats and their own climate control systems, which they can tailor to their own individual preferences. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. And taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. And your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive. Lastly, we finalise our journey at your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.